Midmark here with the Doctor's Toy Store, here to show you guys our DTS stationary aesthetic chair. It's very similar to the hybrid. This one does have a little bit of a different design, and the cushioning is a little bit different than the hybrid. Also, the hybrid has foot pedals on the base. This base is a little bit smaller than the hybrid, and it also does not have foot pedals on it. The foot pedals can be purchased separately, but you can get the chair with the normal hand control if you do want it. Now, the good thing about this chair is it is programmable, so with the press of a button you can program it however you want, and with the press of a button you can put it right back to where it belongs. It also has detachable headrests and extendable headrests. Also, there's a face hole cutout for doctors or estheticians that are performing procedures on the neck or on the back of the head. The leg rest does extend out as well for patients that are a little bit taller than normal patients, and the unit is screw driven as well, so there's no more hydraulic leaks, no more cylinders blowing out, and no more broken chairs. So we do have it here at the Doctor's Toy Store for $59.95, $5,995 that is. You can get it in 3 different colors: matte black, gray, or sand. Sand does conveniently go with everything or with every color. Give us a call at 877-DRS Toys. Call today.
Please subscribe to our channel, Real News for Real Doctors.